Volkswagen SA fraud, former fleet administrator sentenced to 15 years by Satori News. The Jager Specialized Commercial Crimes Court witnessed the culmination of a case that has highlighted the need for stringent oversight in corporate South Africa as Christo Jager, a 61-year-old ex-fleet administrator at Volkswagen South Africa, VWSA, was sentenced for fraudulent activities that resulted in a significant loss for the automotive giant. Jager, who accumulated over R12 million from Volkswagen South Africa through corrupt practices, was handed a 15-year sentence by the court, with 10 years of the sentence suspended on the agreement that he does not reoffend during the 5-year suspension period. Consequently, Jager will effectively serve 5 years in jail. His conviction follows an extended scheme in which he exploited his authoritative position at VWSA. As the fleet administrator, he facilitated and approved falsified invoices that were paid out for non-existent repair work over a sustained period extending from November 2014 to April 2021. The court found that in total, 594 fraudulent invoices had been issued by Auto Trust Body Repairs in collusion with Jager. These deceitful transactions were made under the facade of repair work for the VWSA fleet, which included claims for vehicles that did not require repairs, vehicles that were serviced by other providers, vehicles not damaged as recorded, or vehicles not owned by VWSA. Jager's illicit gains were made incrementally, receiving kickbacks in amounts of R5,000, R10,000, and R20,000. During the investigation and subsequent trial, evidence from both internal audits and police investigations were paramount in revealing the extent of the criminal activities. In a move that both the NPA and the court have acknowledged as critical to the proceedings, Jager admitted his guilt to all charges presented against him. Magistrate Lionel Lindor, presiding over the sentencing, made it clear that the justice system is committed to fairness and impartiality, expressing that equality before the law is vital for maintaining public trust. Lindor's sentiments were echoed by the NPA spokesperson Luxolo Tiali, who asserted that such crimes pose significant risks to the economic fabric of the nation. Echoing a resolute stance against fraud and corruption, especially within the corporate space, the NPA has assured that thorough resources will be directed towards prosecuting severe commercial crimes aggressively. This case has been a stern reminder to corporate entities across South Africa about the imperative of upholding ethical conduct and ensuring transparency in all business practices. The judgment and consequent sentencing of Christo Jager signify a victory in the continuous battle against corporate corruption, with the hope that it will deter potential fraudsters and reiterate the consequences of such actions. Volkswagen South Africa, having borne substantial financial harm, now looks to reinforce internal controls to prevent future incidents of this nature. Thank you for choosing Satori News.